We're here at Midwestern State University, McCoy Engineering Hall. We're going to review the machine shop. We'll go and look at some of the safety features. Fire extinguisher here on the wall. Kind of a quick layout of the shop. We also have first aid kit, eye wash station back here. So now I'll introduce to you our machinist, Frank Bahusla.
Good morning. Now, this is the machine shop at Midwestern State University, Texas. This is the traditional lathe, and over here we have a traditional Bridgeport type mill. A lot of the machining is senior design driven, but a lot of that has gone to 3D printing. Here we have a new Luzbot Workhorse 3D printer, and very nice machine. And then over here we have two of the Formlabs resin based. They are a lot more accurate, a lot more detailed parts. But whatever the seniors can come up with, we can make. And this is just an example. But this is just a really nice place. I enjoy our work. And I guess you've already seen the CNC machine. So, and just a really nice place. That's all I can say.